Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can delete your Twitter account permanently. It's pretty simple, so follow the step. First thing, you want to click on the top left at the profile picture of your Twitter account, and then once you're over here, click on settings and support. Once you click on it, click on settings and privacy, the first option. Then over here, what you want to do is go on where it says your account, and inside your account, the last option where it says deactivate your account, click on it. Once you do that, it's going to take you to the deactivation page, but do not worry, we are not going to deactivate your account, we are going to delete it. But in order to do that, you need to come to this page and you can read over here. You can restore your X account if it was accidentally or wrongfully deactivated for up to 30 days after deactivation, which means if you deactivate your account, then you can recover it for within 30 days. But after 30 days, it's going to be permanently deleted. So you need to remember that. So click on deactivate and then enter the password of your Twitter account. I will do that. Now I have entered the password. I will click on deactivate and click on yes, deactivate, and then my Twitter account will be deactivated. As you guys can see, I got this message. So I will click on got it. Now if I don't log in into my Twitter account for 30 days, then it's going to be deleted after 30 days. So that's how you guys can delete your Twitter account permanently. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.